Hi students. Today I am giving you three important case laws. These three case laws have totally changed the judicial systems. These case laws are also known as judicial precedents. These are landmark judgments. The decisions made by courts have established a legal rule. Here I am giving three important influential case laws from three different legal systems. Marbury versus Madison. This case law happened in United States of America in 1803. The facts of the case are towards the end of his presidency, John Adams appointed a new justice, including William Marbury. The commissions were signed but not delivered by the time Adams' term ended. The new Secretary of State, James Madison, refused to deliver them. Marbury sued Madison, asking the Supreme Court to issue a writ of mandamus. You all know writ of mandamus is a court order to compel an official to perform their duty, while the Supreme Court, led by Chief Justice John Marshall, ruled that the court could not issue the writ because the law that granted it the power to do so was unconstitutional. Whatever it is, this case established the principle of judicial review, a cornerstone of the US legal system. Coming to the second case law, which is most important, that is Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala 1973, happened in India. The facts are Kesavananda Bharati, the head of a monastery in Kerala, challenged the state's land reform laws. He argued that his fundamental rights have been violated, particularly the right to property and the right to manage religious affairs. This case became a fundamental question about the extent of parliament power to amend the constitution. The decision was given by a 13-judge bench of the Supreme Court. The bench has ruled out that Parliament has the power to amend the constitution. It cannot alter the basic structure. This landmark decision introduced the basic structure doctrine. It placed a limit on Parliament's amending power. The core features of the Constitution, such as democracy, secularism, federalism, and judicial independence, are so fundamental that they cannot be amended. Coming to the third case law, Roe versus Wade. This happened in 1973. The facts of the case are that Jane Roe, a single pregnant woman, she challenged Texas laws that criminalized abortion. That time, the laws are such that, except to save the mother's life, totally the abortion was banned. She argued that the laws were unconstitutional because they violated the right to privacy. The Supreme Court ruled that a woman's right to an abortion was protected by the right to privacy under the due process. This case legalized abortion nationwide and it became a defining issue in American politics, culture, and law. It sparkled a fierce and ongoing debate over women's rights, bodily autonomy, and the legal status of a fetus. Thank you. Please come back to my lessons again.